Hello, in this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT widget on Samsung Galaxy Flip5. So you have to start with opening Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. Now select this application and click install. And now you can click open. Now you can skip this introduction. And now click open permissions, and you have to allow this application to display over other apps, and then click back. And now you can click start, and as you can see, here is your ChatGPT widget, and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your desktop, just drag him into the X icon in the middle of your screen. So that is for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.